today I thought we would do a little bit of an Easter haul and a regular haul and just put it all in one video. So stick around if you want to see what's in all of this stuff. First, let's start with the easiest, which is for Easter. I got this Easter basket, which is Cheer Bear. And if you haven't seen the inside, that's kind of what it looks like. Then I also got this Easter bucket, basket, whatever you want to call it. Then we got the big boy. This is the Jumbo Grumpy Easter basket. But inside, and this one was my Easter basket for this year, so. But inside we got little girl socks with Love-A-Lot and Tenderheart. We also got Cheer Bear and Grumpy socks. And these do have little grippies on them. I also got Cheer Bear and Funshine socks to add to the sock Armageddon drawer I have. Next, I got the Funshine and Good Luck pencil bags that they had out. They don't have the Easter fabric in them, but the zipper is like a little flower. Then I also got two hair clips, Share and Cheer. Then we got Grumpy, and he is a dog toy. No, I don't have a dog. Then we have the Funshine. I believe this is like an activity type thing. Oh no, yes, maybe. It's got scrunchies and bracelets, brush, and some hair clips in it. But this is Funshine. These ears do come up, so. Then I also got a Grumpy keychain lanyard type deal. Not like Grumpy doesn't want to be on camera. But there you go, there's that one. Then I also got a Cheer Bear keychain. Here we have some decal stickers. Then we got the Grumpy bubble blower. And then lastly, this is called a, I believe these are called Care Bear Besties. They have this packaging on them along with the other packaging, so they come in two packagings with these little balls. This is Superstar. The rest of them are these. There's a total of 8 of them, I do believe, but there is no numbers on them whatsoever. So they are 100% a mystery type deal. But you can kind of see in there. I will, if I can, I will get a better shot, but yes. So this is the Grumpy Jumbo Easter basket that I got. Now, in this was also part of my Easter. Unfortunately, didn't fit in the bag. So, but we have the Cheer Bear Cloud Car. Obviously, it came from Five Below. Then we have some stickers. I believe these are like Earth Day type stickers. Then I got this mug. Now this mug did come from Crackle Barrel, so. And lastly is this activity color type deal. It comes with 24 page of color and activity book, 6 full posters, 6 sticker sheets, 6 crayons, and 2 glitter glues. But that was everything for what I got at Target. We have a Grumpy pillow, almost looks like a bowling ball pin in all honesty. But I got this little guy. He was in the bedding section. Then I got a Good Luck bottle. I got the Cheer Bear bottle. And the newest 2-pack to the Hello Kitty Care Bear collab, which is Funshine and Hello Kitty, I believe. Yes. No, My Melody. My bad. I'm sorry. Not my show. So. That is everything from Target that I got. If you have any questions about where any of my stuff came from, if I know the answer, I will leave it down in the comments for you. Feel free to ask. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe and don't forget to drop a like so I know to keep doing these. If you want to see more haul videos, I will have a playlist on screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.